Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Sprout. Today is Sunday, November 2nd, 2025. Today, we're clearing up a very common confusing word in English. The difference between lose, lost, and lost. They look similar and sound similar, but they are used in very different ways. Let's make it simple. First, we have lose, and I'll go ahead and give you the definition. Lose means to misplace something. To misplace something means to lose its location without intending to. Next definition would be to not win. To not win refers to the outcome of a competition where you do not achieve victory. And lastly, to stop having something. To stop having something indicates that you no longer possess it or have it available. Examples: don't lose your wallet. They will lose the game if they skip practice. I lose my keys all the time. Now, when you pronounce lose, you use the long O sound and end it with Z. Lose. Lose is the base word. Lose is an irregular verb, which means it doesn't follow normal ED rule. You cannot say losed, you would say lost. English has many verbs that change vowels in the past tense. This is called a vowel change pattern. If you can say lose, then you can say lost. If you can say lose, the past is lost. Lose to lost. So, how do we go from lose to lost? You drop the E, change the vowel sound from O to O, and add a T to the pad for the past tense. Next, we have lost. Past tense, past participle, and adjective. This is the past tense and the past participle of the verb lose. It can be used as an adjective. The form: past tense, lost, meaning it already happened. An example of this would be I lost my keys. Past participle, lost, used with have, has, had. An example of this would be I have lost my keys. Pronunciation: lost, lost. Short O sound ends with ST. Lost. One thing to remember: lose plus ST is lost. Lose minus SE, add ST is lost. Examples: don't lose your phone. This is the base verb version. Next, they had lost hope. This is used as the past participle form. And lastly, I feel lost in this new city. This is when it's used as an adjective, meaning to be confused or missing. Then we have lost, the noun. It means the state of losing something or when you don't have something anymore. And we say lost. Now, things to remember: you cannot use lost as a verb. It names the result or state of losing. If you're talking about things you lost, you use lost. Now, here's a quick summary. I'm going to give you the word, part of the speech, the meaning, and an example. Lose is a verb and it's present, and it means to misplace or not win. An example is don't lose your phone. Next, we have loss, a verb, but a past, an adjective as well. The past tense of lose, missing, or confused is the meaning. For example, I lost my keys. He feels lost. And loss, the noun, is a state of losing. An example of this is their loss was unexpected. Now, here's a memory trick, excuse me. Lose is an action now. Loss is an action in the past. And loss, the result or feeling after losing. Now, if you need additional practice or if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. And we thank you for all of your support. If you found this lesson helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more English route lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.